You are going to love
the 2022 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. Experience the perfect harmony of